This is gonna be my signature scent this fall and winter season. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. And in today's video, I thought it would be cool to share with you guys my fall fragrance haul. Over the past couple of months, I've purchased a ton of fragrances, not even specifically for fall, but because my fragrance preference is very like warm and cozy, a lot of these fragrances are perfect for the fall time. I have been so in love with every single one of them and I just had to share it with you guys. So without further ado, if you're on the hunt to smell good for cozy season, then definitely please keep watching. So should I start with my favorite one first or save that for like midway to last? I'll start off, I think I'm actually gonna start off with the first fragrance that I purchased. It's not like a true fall scent, but it could definitely be used in the fall time. I got this for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and it is the Parfumes de Marley in the scent Delina. First of all, look how cute the packaging is. This scent makes you smell like that girl. It is just such a fresh but also rich and like kind of musky scent. It's definitely more of a floral, but it does have some like warmth to it, but also freshness at the same time. You just have to go into a department store like Nordstrom and smell it for yourself, because it's just like a very captivating, alluring scent. And this to me is like the perfect daytime winter scent. It could totally be used in the evening too, but it's just to me like more of like a fresh, captivating scent. It's expensive, but I did get it in a set for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so it totally made it worth it. And I will say a little bit of that perfume goes a very long way. You do not need a lot of it at all, since it is a very potent scent. So the next fragrance I picked up was this one by Viktor and Rolf, the new scent Good Fortune. Not gonna lie, the packaging is what originally sold me on this scent. I just thought it was so pretty and I just love the color of it. To me, it was just like such a captivating bottle. Initially when I smelt it, I liked it, but I wasn't obsessed with it. But I remember spraying it on my wrist at Sephora and walking around for the remainder of the day, and I could still smell it, and it just got like better as it wore with my chemistry throughout the day. So I ended up going back like 2 months later and purchasing it, and I am so happy with this purchase. You do not need a lot of this because it is very potent. To be worn during the day if you use a very like small amount of it, but honestly only to be worn in like the fall and winter because it is a very like rich, cozy scent. So it is a warm floral. What is new? I literally am obsessed with warm florals. And the keynotes are fennel, gentian, flower extract, jasmine, super infusion, and bourbon vanilla. It is extremely captivating and I do get tons of compliments whenever I do wear this. Then the next fragrance that I picked up, it's another new fragrance. The display got me, I sprayed it and then kept smelling my wrist throughout the day, and it is the Prada. It's the Prada Paradox fragrance. I love how it is that traditional triangle Prada logo. I got it in the smallest size to test out how I like wearing it. Again, I'm a very like warm floral girl, so it's definitely a warm floral, and to me it's more of a daytime fall scent. You could definitely wear it in the evening time, but it's not as like rich as this one to where like it could be sometimes too much in the daytime. This is a very wearable fall daytime scent. The warm floral, what is new? I'm telling you, I don't know what it is. I just love warm florals. So the keynotes are neroli bud, white amber, and white musk. The description says that this is a floral ambery perfume that reinvents freshness with a neroli bud extraction to capture the flower's fresh scent. Sensuality with bioconverted amber to reveal a vibrant warmth and intensity through a revolutionary musk molecule for an intense yet subtle trail. That's exactly what this is. I always need a fragrance with that subtle oomph to it, and this has that. This is gonna be my signature scent this fall and winter season. I would always hear people rave about Replica scents. Some of the popular ones are like the coffee shop one, beach walk I believe it is, and none of them really captured my attention. The fireside one too. Then I came across Jazz Club. It is incredible. I got it in the small size not even like a month ago, and that's how much I've already gone through because I'm literally in love with this scent. So I'm definitely going to either get the bigger size or add the bigger size to my Christmas wish list, because this is my favorite fall winter scent, and to me it smells like Christmas. I have an obsession with Christmas and that's what this smells like. Masculine and feminine at the same time. It has like, I think, a tobacco kind of vanille scent to it. Let's look up these notes. All right, so this is a warm and spicy scent. The scent type is wood spices And the key notes are pink pepper, rum absolute, and tobacco leaf absolute. I'm gonna read the description because it's so hard for me to describe this scent because it smells just like a warm, familiar, Christmassy place. In this scent, a smooth cocktail of warm scents and spicy fragrances awakens the senses with contrasting lemon and pink peppered, followed by neroli oil, rum, and vanilla perfume atop smoky tobacco leaf. I'm telling you, if you just want that like mysterious, just like captivating, warm and cozy scent for the winter and fall time, you need this in your life. Next up, I repurchased one of my favorite fragrances. It's the Valentino Donna Born in Roma scent. I got the jumbo size because I just love this perfume so much. So I really like this scent because it's a great transitional perfume. I use this in the summertime for like summer evenings, but then it also makes a great fall and winter daytime scent because you're gonna get that warmth, you're gonna get that, again, captivating scent in it, but it is still fresh enough to wear during the day to where it's not like overpowering. To me, it just smells like so fresh and warm and delicious all at the same time. This is definitely a warm floral. Again, it's a warm floral. So the key notes are blackcurrant, jasmine, grandiflorum, and bourbon vanilla. I love bourbon vanilla in my scents, I've noticed. I'm telling you, a lot of people rave about the yellow one, but the pink one is where it's at. Then the last scent that I picked up, this honestly is not a fall scent. To me, it's like an all year scent because it's very fresh, lightweight, and airy, and it is the Glossier fragrance. I had been smelling this for years on my sister-in-law. One of my old co-workers used to wear it every single day, and I always just loved the scent. It was like a whisper of a scent that was still captivating. It wasn't like you could smell it and pinpoint what those notes were, and like it was like the super strong scent that engulfed you. It was more just like a whisper of a scent that left you wanting more. But I'm gonna look up the notes of this one because this one is honestly really hard for me to describe. But all I know is that it's just a very like fresh, clean floral scent. And this scent is honestly very affordable compared to like a lot of other perfumes. It's $64 for the 1.7 ounce. I'm just gonna read the description. It says, first you smell the pink pepper, the bright, sparkling, spicy top note that makes a good first impression. Then you get into the woodsy, slightly sweet heart of the scent that comes from the amberette seed and warm ambery ambrox. It's balanced with iris, a white floral, for a creamy freshness. And that's exactly what it is. It's like a creamy, fresh fragrance. Oh wait, I do want to share one other thing with you guys. Okay, and lastly, this is so random, but to me, it's so relevant to the fragrances because I truly believe your fragrances will wear different depending on what scents you layer underneath of them. So if I really want to smell good and I really want to layer my scents, I will break it down to my body wash, then to my lotion, and then to my body spray, and then to the fragrance, because it really just makes all the scents layer and come together. So with that, there are two body washes that I have been obsessed with when using any of these fragrances. So I typically will wash my body with my regular body wash, and then I'll go in with these just because I don't know how much I trust them for like cleaning my body, but I love the scent that it leaves behind. I also like to either use these separate or mix them together. And first off, I have the Bath & Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom. This one I'm literally almost out of. I loved using this in the summertime, but I also still loved using this body wash when I'm using like the Replica fragrance if I want to balance it out with something more like fresh and florally. These marry together really nice. I also like to use this if I'm using like the Good Fortune perfume. These layer together really nice. It just like adds that extra just goodness to your body. It just like really meshes and marries those notes together. And this next one is a new scent that I recently discovered, and it's from Bath & Body Works, and it's the Whiskey Reserve body wash. So this is technically a men's body wash, and it says that it's a 3-in-1 face and body wash. I would never use this in my hair ever. Although it could be a good thing to layer, like after I already shampoo with my regular shampoo, just putting like a little hint of this in the hair just so that I have like that hair perfume. But I would never just wash my hair with this alone. Absolutely not. But anyways, this smells so good. And I really like mixing this with my regular body wash because my regular body wash has a very like fresh, floral, feminine scent. So whenever I wash myself with that body wash first and then I go in with this, then my body washes layer together really nice, and then I can like layer like a more softer feminine perfume with this. Or if I just want to really tap into that like whiskey, warm, spicy scent, then I'll layer Replica with this. It just helps amplify this fragrance even more, and it allows for the scent to last even longer. So I want to share that with you guys because this I have been absolutely loving, and I love the packaging. It's super sleek. And that wraps it up for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will leave everything linked down below if there's any scents that you are interested in trying. Please let me know in the comments down below what fragrances you absolutely are loving at the moment. And I'm always on the hunt for just like a really good smell. Like I have a very strong nose, and it's like both a good and bad thing. But with that, it makes me like obsessed with things that smell good, and I'm always just on the hunt for body sprays, body washes, body lotions, fragrances, anything that smells good. I need to know what it is. So let me know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. I do plan on doing a shoe fall haul and then a fall clothing haul soon. So be on the lookout for that. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!